Reading is more than just a pastime, it's a powerful tool for personal growth. Not only does it improve memory and expand your vocabulary, but it also helps you learn new things and enhances your focus and concentration. Many people dream of developing a regular reading habit, but busy schedules and daily distractions often get in the way. I used to struggle with this myself, always wishing I could read more but never finding the time. Over the years, I discovered some practical strategies that made reading a consistent part of my life. Let's explore how you can do the same, starting with the basics of building your reading routine. First step to reading more is to create a reading list. Think about the books you want to explore. These could be novels, biographies, or topics that genuinely interest you. If you're unsure where to start, check out popular lists like Modern Library's 100 Best Novels or browse recommendations on Goodreads.com. Once you have your list, set a clear goal for yourself. Maybe you want to read a certain number of books this year, or perhaps you'll aim for a few pages each day. Apps like Bookly or the Goodreads Reading Challenge can help you track your progress and keep you motivated. Having a plan makes your reading journey more focused and rewarding. Consistency is key when it comes to building any habit, and reading is no different. Try to schedule a specific time for reading each day, maybe in the morning during your commute, on your lunch break, or right before bed. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can read without interruptions. Turn off the TV and silence your phone to minimize distractions. Active reading also helps. Highlight important passages, jot down notes, and reflect on what you've read. Keeping a reading journal is a great way to revisit your favorite quotes and track your thoughts. And don't forget to carry a book or ebook with you. Those small pockets of free time can add up to a lot of reading over the weeks. It's important to keep your reading experience enjoyable and stress-free. If a book isn't capturing your interest, don't force yourself to finish it. Try the 50-page rule and move on if it's not engaging. Replace some of your usual entertainment, like TV or social media, with reading time. You might also enjoy reading more than one book at a time, such as pairing a fiction novel with a nonfiction title to keep things fresh. Finally, consider finding a reading partner, a friend or colleague who shares your interest. Discussing books together can make the experience more interactive and help you stay accountable. With these flexible strategies, reading becomes a pleasure, not a chore. Applying these simple yet effective tips, you can gradually build a sustainable reading habit that fits your lifestyle. Remember, the goal isn't to race through as many books as possible, but to enjoy the process and grow along the way. Whether you're reading for knowledge, relaxation, or inspiration, every page you turn adds value to your life. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. Soon, reading will become a natural and rewarding part of your daily routine.